Sauteing garlic, a culinary skill in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common culinary phrase in English, saute the garlic. Whether you're a cooking enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, this video will help you understand not just the meaning, but also the context and usage of this phrase. So let's get cooking with language. Sauté is a cooking term borrowed from French, meaning to cook food quickly in a small amount of fat. It's derived from the French word sauter, which means to jump, reflecting how food often jumps or bounces in the pan due to the high heat. When we say sauté the garlic, we're instructing to cook garlic in this particular style. Garlic, a common ingredient, is often sautéed in oil or butter until it's fragrant and golden, which enhances its flavor and aroma. Let's break down the phrase. Sauté. This is the cooking method. It involves cooking quickly over medium to high heat. The garlic. This is the ingredient being cooked. Garlic is known for its strong flavor and is a staple in many cuisines. Sautéing garlic is not just about cooking. It's about flavor development. Garlic, when raw, has a pungent and sharp taste. However, when sautéed, it becomes milder, sweeter, and more aromatic. This transformation is crucial in many dishes, as it provides a flavorful base without overpowering other ingredients. Here are some tips to perfect your garlic sautéing. 1. Heat the pan first. Always start with a warm pan to ensure even cooking. 2. Choose the right fat, oil or butter. Each gives a different flavor. 3. Watch the heat. Garlic burns easily. Medium heat is usually best. 4. Stir frequently. Keep the garlic moving to avoid burning. 5. Timing is key. Sauté just until golden. Overcooked garlic can be bitter. And that's all about sauté the garlic. I hope this video not only helped you understand this phrase but also gave you a glimpse into the art of cooking. Remember, learning English can be as fun as cooking your favorite dish. Keep practicing, and you'll be fluent in no time. See you in our next culinary English adventure.